I can clearly see the best version of me. Visualization and imagination is life's preview. Keep a clear vision of your best self and put yourself in those shoes daily. What does your ideal self look like? How do you act? How do you handle situations? What does your day look like? Who are you with? Crystallize a very clear image of your best self. I love to move my body. Fighting off depression and anxiety starts with moving the body. When we are depressed, we hunch. Our physiology changes. The best way to break that is to move on a daily basis. Stand tall. Feel the power in your presence. What type of exercise speaks to you? What will you do today to move your body? I consume foods that give me life. Our bodies are our temples. Positive energy starts with the food we put in our bodies. We need to fuel our tanks with nutritious healing foods. Unhealthy processed and fried foods create illness and lethargic lives. What unhealthy choices will you leave out today? What will you add? Every small choice you make makes up your life. Choose wisely. I love setting goals. Making progress in our lives brings us fulfillment and happiness. People are 42% more likely to achieve their goal when they write them down. Dream up huge goals that you can't even comprehend how you'd get there. Then create some smaller, attainable daily goals that can keep you moving in that direction. What are some goals you can write down for today? I am committed. Your daily habits make up your life. Your attitude attributes to your personality. You can raise the thermostat on who you are. You can ultimately achieve anything you desire. It is never too late to reinvent yourself, but you must commit to the person you know you are meant to be. You won't always feel like eating the best choices, or writing down your goals, or choosing the higher vibration in a situation. But the more you can commit to these affirmations, you will see your life begin to change. How are you going to commit? I surrender and let go of control and expectations. No matter how hard I try, I cannot control what others think or do, so I focus on myself. I look for ways to feel good. I find peace in moments. I use my words wisely. What can you surrender today to cultivate more joy in your life?